This is an overview and model breakdown of the KLOS Hybrid Series travel guitar. Hybrid Series instruments feature an innovative carbon fiber body, lightweight, resonant, resilient to humidity, temperature changes, and damage. Your KLOS guitar will outlast any wood guitar. We handcraft hybrid necks and fingerboards from wood, then reinforce them with carbon fiber stiffening rods. That way, musicians get the perfect playability of wood paired with the longevity of carbon fiber. Also, KLOS guitar necks easily detach and fold, reducing your travel footprint anywhere, anytime. The hybrid travel guitar comes in 3 unique models: acoustic, acoustic electric, and deluxe. Acoustic. The acoustic model features D'Addario EJ26 strings, our standard white tuners, a new bone nut and saddle, aluminum strap pins, and as always, smooth playing, hand-leveled frets. Acoustic electric. This model is the same as our acoustic model, but with the addition of a Fishman sonotone under saddle pickup. Plug in and play your guitar on stage or at home. Deluxe. Our deluxe model features D'Addario EXP26 strings, Graphtec ratio tuners, a black tusk nut and saddle, along with a Fishman sonotone pickup for amplified play. The Deluxe is our most premium hybrid model and includes the KLOS accessory package for free. The accessory package is also available as an add-on and includes a strap, an instrument rain cover, a capo, a truss rod wrench, a screwdriver, and an instrument gig bag with neck sleeve built for compact travel. It's the guitar you've always dreamed of, but now that dream is real. Get yours today.